Hi everyone! I have some more pickups for you. Picked them all up yesterday. Went to my local thrift store that I go to quite often. I have some Amazon pickups for you that I purchased online. And I also went to a local antique store. First for the antique store find. I did find two games there. They were both Sega Genesis games. Had the cartridge in the case, but no manual, and the rest in $7.50 a piece, which I thought was too much. One was a Madden 97, I think, which is obviously not worth $7.50, and the other one was Desert Strike, which I looked it up on eBay, and isn't going for near that either, from what I've seen anyway. So I didn't grab those, but I did find an electronic handheld game, Family Feud. Picked this up for $2. It does work. The sound doesn't work though. And it came with the game cartridge, but it doesn't have the little booklet these came with that lets you have the questions. So it didn't come with a little booklet. Next up for thrift store pickups for $2, I picked up an Epic's 500 XJ joystick for the IBM and Apple computers. This is the box. A little beat up, but at least it came with the box. And this is the controller right here. So picked that up for $2. And also at the thrift store, picked up one PC game. I picked up Garfield: A Tale of Two Kittens. Only 75 cents. Can't pass up any computer games for that price, since I do enjoy collecting for the PC as well. Pick that up. 75 cents. And I picked up for 25 cents these two cassettes. First I thought it might have been a game, but I guess it's some basically it's a safety tape. It talks about RV safety, I guess. That's what it says on the front, something about RV safety, and I don't know, maybe it's narrated by the Cleveland Indians player there, I'm not sure, but I'm guessing they probably give these away at games. So and I picked up for 50 cents a Purina Kitten Chow CD. It says it has music for your pets on it. Haven't listened to it. Maybe I'll throw this in when I leave my pets alone. See if they enjoy it. And now for the Amazon pickups. First up, some Commodore 64 cassette games. First one, based on a movie in the mid to late 80s. And I think some came out in the early 90s. There was like 3 movies, I think. Love these movies. And that is Beverly Hills Cop for the Commodore 64. Picked this up for under $7. It was like $2.79 plus $3.99 for shipping. And also picked up, everyone's seen this cartoon, picked up the Flintstones. Flintstones for the Commodore 64, also a cassette game. Don't have a Commodore 64, but I'm hoping to get one at some point this year so I can play some of these. And that one also was under $7 with shipping. And next up is a boxed Commodore 64 game, also based on another movie. Love this movie. I actually picked it up not too long ago at a thrift store. I picked up the DVD for $3. The DVD was $3. And that is The Hunt for Red October, based on the movie. And I believe this one was under 25. I think it was like 24 or something. Also for the Commodore 64, the show was on MTV. I remember watching it. Kind of stupid but funny at the same time. And that is Remote Control, the game show they had on MTV. And this one, I believe, was under $10. I think altogether it was 8 or 9 something. So, still sealed. Next up, based on also another movie, great cult horror movie of the 80s and 90s. That is A Nightmare on Elm Street. This is for the IBM PC. This one was $24 for shipping. Glad to have that. Another TV. This was also a TV show. This game's not really based on the TV show, but it has the character of the TV show on here. And I didn't watch this too often, but I did watch some episodes when I was younger when it was on. And that is Alf. This one is for the IBM as well. Basically in this game, I guess just like the TV show, you're trying to elude the dog catcher, always on the hunt for, I think that was in the show, always that guy that always came over looking for the aliens, or Alf, the alien, always looking for him. I think this is what the game is based on. It tries to elude the dog catcher. And that one's still sealed. And lastly, a murder mystery detective game for the Commodore 64. And that is Murder by the Dozen. Box is in great shape, just very, very minor wear on the sides. Looks like a really fun game. I love these mystery detective games. So, looking forward to playing this one. And those are my pickups off of Amazon and my antique store and thrift store. So, please comment if you have any questions or anything. Just comment. And I thank everyone for watching. Bye.